Alright, what we have here is a triangle that we're trying to rotate about point X. Anytime that point is off of the shape, you're going to start by drawing a line to any one of these vertices on the shape you're rotating, and then use your protractor from there. Now, I apologize, it should have said rotate the triangle, so oops. Now, 65 degrees clockwise, remember clockwise is going this way, so we're going to take this triangle and the idea is to rotate it in this direction. Now, what makes this difficult? Normally, you guys line up your protractor on X like this, and then you would go like 65 this way or 65 that way. The problem is, this thing's rotating down. So in order for you to kind of accommodate that, you have to take your protractor and actually invert it, which makes this one a little bit more challenging than other ones you've seen. So, from here, we're going to follow down below. You can see my finger there to 65 degrees. Let me get that a little more on the screen for you. So 65, you can see, is right here. Now when you mark that off, you are going to draw your dotted line towards there, remember? And you have like a 65-degree angle here in pink. Now, this is where the compass comes in. You just measure how far it is from X to A, right there. And then you are going to similarly mark that on your line right there. So there's A prime. Now if we do the same for B and C, you'll see what happens. We're going to start by drawing from X towards B, just like that. We have to line this up on that line, just like last time, and rotate that 65 degrees down to right here. So again, you want to imagine this is rotating down 65 degrees in that clockwise direction. I'm going to draw a dotted line through there. And again, this green angle should look like a 65-degree angle. And after measuring that out, marking it, we're now going to use our compass from X to B. And then staying on X, you want to mark right there where it rotates, which would be right here. And then lastly, for X and C, we're going to draw from X to point C. Be careful, because this point almost looks like it's C, but remember that's B prime. You're going to line this up such that X is the center. We're rotating in this direction 65 degrees to right here. Alright, we're going to draw our dashed line towards that. And lastly, you're going to measure on here X to point C, mark that off. And when you go to connect these 3 points, we have C prime, you have A prime, you have B prime. When connected, it should look like you rotated that original triangle 65 degrees in the clockwise direction. And there you have it, from here to there.